All right, what's up, everyone? And hello, everybody. I'm still here at the Greensburg 66 Suds car wash. Pardon me, language. Here at the 66 Suds car wash. Just did a walkthrough and then the update, and then I did an inside view because we had some cars. We had 3 cars. We had a truck, Ford truck, my mom's car, and my this car. I just exited the wash, got the ultimate wash. So today I'm just checking back and see how this car wash is doing. We have our holiday soon. Just a full update. It looks like we got a Tahoe. It's going to be coming in. So looks like they're going to vacuum. So I thought they're going to be going through the automatic wash. And we have our nice Suds vacuums. They're different though. Because they're rare. They're extremely rare ones. Yeah. So I was gonna sometime bring Chrissy, my good friend, out here to see this car wash, but I don't know, 'cause she doesn't like long travel distance to me, so like Virginia Beach or anything like those things. So yeah, I'm just checking out to see this car wash. I mean, it's my favorite, and it does a good job. Once again, this is just a small update because I already did an update. So yeah, so this car wash is so awesome. I mean, I enjoy this wash so much. And there's a little neighborhood over there. Next, right there is a self-storage. Comcast is over there. So it's me. For me, I have Xfinity, not like direct to pay-per-view. Or I used to have Verizon, but I have Verizon on my phone, and Xfinity at home, which is kind of the same thing, which is awesome. Yeah. So just an update on my favorite car wash, Magic Wand Nexus. Once again, we have our telephone numbers. Yeah, so this is an update, and I would like to save the receipts for the car wash, but I already did a nice review. So like with Heather McVeigh, Dallas Science, Dallas Science, Washington, 23, Washington Greensburg Professional Center, 2112, North England, Washington, VA, 15301. Yeah, so just an update on this car wash. It's my favorite. It's good. Feels good to return back. And right now, I'm just gonna hang out here for a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna do another update, one more update, record, and then upload, and update, and then I'm gonna start heading back, and then I'm gonna start heading towards that direction because over there, I don't know why. I have to go through North for sales, because I'm gonna stop by and check out some other ones and see how they're doing. There's no Nexus, there's no water road wash or anything. Most of them are tunnel washes, but anyway, so yeah, it's just an update, and I'm gonna check and see the Walmart's and stuff. So it looks like we got a car that's gonna be turning in. I think it's gonna be coming in. So the wash, nope, I guess not. I want you to check. All right, hold on. Yeah. So yeah, I've been seeing watch children and stuff, just in case there's children. All right, but that being said, just a small update, and right now I'm gonna do one more upload, and I'm gonna go from there. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. See ya.